If I told you that in America, even if you're broke today, you could be financially free in the next 10 years, would you believe it? Welcome back to Avoine Mall, the channel where we break down money, success, and everything the schools never teach you. Today's video is not just about motivation, it's a step-by-step roadmap. How to go from poor to rich in America, even if you're starting with nothing. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's get into it. Poverty in America isn't just about lack of money, it's about being trapped in a cycle. Debt, high rent, student loans, paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. Most people think the American dream is dead, but here's the reality. It's not dead, it's just upgraded. In the past, land ownership made people rich. Today, it's skills, investments, and digital leverage. Poor mindset. I can't afford it. Rich mindset. How can I afford it? Gen Z advantage. You already have access to the internet, AI tools, and social media. Story example. A 20-year-old in Texas making $100K/year just by flipping digital products on Etsy. In America, jobs like fast food, survival. But skills like coding, sales, copywriting, digital marketing, AI automation, freedom. You don't need college debt for all this. Platforms like Coursera, YouTube, Udemy, cheap or free. Example. Freelancers on Upwork, Fiverr, earning more than corporate employees. Rule. Learn one skill that can make you at least $50/hour. Most poor people in America buy liabilities. New iPhones, cars they can't afford, clothes for flexing. Rich buy assets, stocks, real estate, digital businesses. Example. If you invest $500/month in S&P 500 index fund from age 22, by 40, you can touch $1M plus, compound effect. Side hustle money. Put 50% in investments, not in Starbucks coffee addiction. Relying on one paycheck = dangerous. Side hustles in 2025 that work for Gen Z. 1. Content creation, YouTube Shorts, TikTok Reels. 2. AI-based services, resume writing, ad creation, automation. 3. Dropshipping or print on demand, low risk, high scale. 4. Digital products, courses, templates. Real fact, 65% of millionaires in America are self-made, not born rich. Student loans and credit card debt sign biggest poverty traps. Strategy, debt snowball. Pay smallest debt first, then move up. Rich people use credit cards smartly, for points and investments, not lifestyle. If you hang out with broke complainers, you'll stay broke. Start networking in Facebook groups, LinkedIn, local meetups. Opportunities open up. Reminder, in America, your net worth equals your network. Don't just think short term. Rich people think in decades. Buy assets that make money while you're sleeping. Real estate rentals, dividend stocks, YouTube automation channels. Rule of thumb, if your money isn't working while you're sleeping, you'll stay poor forever. So here's the truth. Going from poor to rich in America is not about luck, not about winning the lottery. It's about strategy, mindset, and discipline. Every rich person you admire started with nothing but a decision. The question is, will you make that decision today? If you got value from this video, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's the first step you're taking toward financial freedom? And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because here at Avoine Mall, we're building a community of future millionaires. Your journey starts now.